In this video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate all lag in FC24. So, the first thing you can do is to close any background apps besides the EA app. So the way you do this is simply first close down all the programs inside your taskbar, and then you want to go over here to where it says show hidden items, icons, and then you want to close down all the background apps. So, to find different apps that are running in the background, you want to also right click on your taskbar and press Task Manager. In here, you'll be able to see that under processes over here, you will have a bunch of apps running. So if there are apps that you don't need, let's say for example you have Steam, Discord, and stuff like that, you can simply click on them and press end task, and that way end as many background tasks as possible. Just be cautious though, because many of these tasks are needed for Windows to run, so only close the apps that may be running in the background that you know you have opened, okay? So for example, some games, browsers, and stuff like that. Then, once you've done that, you want to install the latest version of the EA app. So, in case you don't have the latest version or you don't know, you may want to uninstall the EA app first, and then you want to go to this website over here, which is basically just ea.com/ea-app, and then you want to click on download the EA app, and you will download the official app of EA that way, and it's going to be the latest version every time you download it. So yeah, that may also help. And then if that doesn't work, use the compatibility mode, and the way you do this is very simple, okay? I've input a link over here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have to go down here in Windows to your search box and type in run programs, and then the first thing that pops up is run programs made for previous versions of Windows. You want to press this, and then you want to click next, and in here you can select your program. So the FC24 game, you want to look for it. I don't have it installed on my computer, so I'm going to press a random thing, let's say Arc Browser, and press next. And then you want to click troubleshoot program. Now once that's done, you can also click try recommended settings and see if that fixed your issue or your lag. Then the next thing would be to start the app in windowed mode. So simply when you start the app, start it in windowed mode. Now make sure your antivirus, firewall, or program is not preventing the correct operation of the application, so make sure to create an exception inside your firewall and antivirus for the FC24 app. Then you may want to try to disconnect all USB devices in addition to the mouse and keyboard, okay? That may also help, so if you have any USBs, coolers, stuff like that, make sure to unplug them, and that's it. Then start the app in administrator mode. I'm going to show you how to do this. So go to your desktop and find where your shortcut or your app is, and you want to right click on it and press show more options, then press properties, and then you want to go inside the compatibility mode, and inside here you want to click run this program as an administrator, okay? You want to click this and press apply, and then what you can also do is click run this program in compatibility mode for, there we go, and select Windows 8, okay, or a previous version of Windows. And then you want to click apply yet again and click OK. And that's it. That's for the next step. And then as the last step, you may want to create a new Windows user to see if the problem persists also on the new user. So simply create a new user account and then download the EA app and try running the game. And if that doesn't persist anymore, you can simply try playing the game over there. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.